Thanks for jumping back once again to the Crypto Boy channel. I welcome you all to this series in where we analyze every significant coin and give you some good options and entries to buy. So last few days ago, like 2 days ago, I gave you this trade setup about Bitcoin, which has finally broken out, and that was our target 1 and the target 2. I have uploaded the video about the next targets and what could happen next in the Bitcoin. If you have not watched that video, I am leaving the link up here in the corner. You can watch it right away. So today we are going to talk about another coin that was in my eyes and that has also broken out of a bullish structure, and that is Axie Infinity. So what is basically Axie Infinity? It's a game token. It is backed up by a game called Axie Infinity, which is available on both computer as well as Androids. So people use that game to create avatars and NFTs, and they earn Axie Infinity token in the return for playing games and breeding and doing different tasks. So so as you can see, Axie Infinity in the last 24 hours has jumped up to 24.8% just in 24 hours, which is a great, let's say, great pump in such a market condition where nothing is so clear about Bitcoin, and you just have most of the altcoins, they are just getting out of the long term, like 6 months bear phase. So you see that the market cap also jumped by 24%. So this is the graph right in front of you. It's for 1 day. If I put it back to 7 days, you can see there was a huge pump. So you can see that. Okay, let's jump back to our trading view. There's nothing much on the coin market cap. You can read it anytime when you have spare time. So let's go to the bigger time frame and check this coin out for some major support levels. Let's go to the weekly as well, I think. So there you go. You see something? No, I don't see anything. Let's jump to the daily time frame. Okay, well, first thing what we do is we find a good support level. Well, in case of Axie, I see something as a good support at this place. No, which is now a resistance, by the way. Okay, that I see is a structure. There is a clear bullish structure. You see that retest, one tap, a complete bull rally. You come back down. That might be possible because it's bear market, or there's another chance, and that is very simple, that it is still a bull run. However, there is a destruction of a structure, which we call it break of BOS, break of structure. If this is a break of structure, then it is very necessary for Axie Infinity to go back once again and reclaim this area and give a retest over here and go above. That would create a good move as well, and a good confluence of this pattern inverse head and shoulders. But that's completely hypothetical. That might happen and that might not happen. But to my experience, whenever there is a recovery in any kind of coin, that happens exactly this way. These structures, they go back into the previous ranges, and they do a retest on the bigger time frames, and then they start their own rally. So let's get back to the lower time frames. Okay, on the lower time frame, I see this wedge. Let me make it to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so there you go. So this is a falling wedge I see here. Let's just connect them, and there you go. From here to this point, I would say. Let's just do it quick to quick. Okay, so you see this falling wedge on a short time frame, which just broke out yesterday on 30th May, almost at 6 p.m. I don't know what you guys were doing there that time, but you should have been, if you know some technical analysis, and you could have made this move earlier. However, I have given these good moves about other coins as well. Just about Solana, I created 3 videos in the last 2 days. You can watch them on my channel if you don't want to miss the next big rally in Solana. Anyways, what I see as next potential targets and the next resistance zone that the Axie Infinity might see is probably, this is the exact zone already where it is feeling some resistance. However, this would be another zone you need to watch out, and that would be another. These are the simple ranges and previously recorded resistance levels. However, if you missed the entry and you consider how it's already long gone, but if, let's say, this place, if it retraces to this place, if you get a chance on this place, let me just find it out something. Okay, I'm gonna give you these 2 areas, these 2 micro areas where you can get once again back on Axie, only in a case if it shows up there. So these are the 2 areas I would say. Let me just make them green for you. This one and this one. So if you get Axie Infinity at these 2 places, you might want to consider an entry. However, the strong point, the strongest zone for entry and for long term as well would be this same place. That would be a strong spot. So if you somehow someday, if you get it back again at this spot, you might want to consider it for buying. So I think that will be it for the Axie Infinity. There is no current signal, it has already broken out. However, Solana, 1inch, Bitcoin as well, Ethereum, I'm going to make a video. The next video is going to be about Ethereum, so you might want to consider them as well. So if you like the content, if you like the video, make sure you give a thumbs up and you subscribe the channel. Do not forget to turn on the notifications so that you not miss the updates. See you in the next video.